Today we're going to learn about multiplying polynomials and polynomials. Use the distributive property. So again, instead of multiplying a monomial and a polynomial, this is multiplying two polynomials. The difference is that a polynomial has more than one term. So here's one polynomial with two terms, and here's another one with two terms. An example of a monomial would be like x, for example. For this has one term. And if you multiplied it by, let's say, x plus 2, this would be the polynomial with two terms. Now, how would you use the distributive property when you have two terms for both polynomials? It'd be the first term of the first polynomial times the first term of the second polynomial, plus the first term in the first polynomial times the second term in the second polynomial. And then it'd be the second term here times the first here, and the second term here times the second here. So let's do this. X squared plus 3x here plus 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3, which is 6. And now we can simplify this by adding the 3x and the 2x, which make 5. And here's our simplified expression. Now you can use the same strategy for the second problem. However, for each term in the first polynomial, you have to multiply by each term in the second one. So it'd look like this. Let's do this. 2y times y squared is going to be 2y cubed. 2y times negative 2y is going to be negative 4y squared, because y times y is y squared. And 2y times 1 is 2y. Now we go on to the second term of the first polynomial. We have 2y squared minus 4y plus 2 times 1 is 2. So as you can see, there's 6 lines which result in 6 terms. The 2y and the negative 4y, you can add those together. And the negative 4y squared and the 2y squared you can add together as well. So finally, we're going to have 2y cubed, 2y squared minus 4y squared is going to be negative 2y squared. 2y minus 4y is going to be negative 2y. And then we have 2. Finally, we have this expression here. How would we simplify this? You can actually rewrite this as 3z plus 1 times 3z plus 1. And you simply have to follow the same strategy. 3z times 3z is 9z squared. 3z times 1 is 3z. 1 times 3z is another 3z. And 1 times 1 is 1. These two can be added together. And so we're going to have 9z squared plus 6z plus 1. And that's our final expression.